Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Facebook We Received Your Information problem. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, let's say you're currently on the screen and it feels unresponsive or looping. So what you'll do basically is number one, you'll have to wait, as the standard automated review window is 48 hours. But if your case requires manual review, users report wait times anywhere from a few days to 4 to 5 days. So avoid sending multiple requests in a short time frame, as repeated submissions reset your place in the verification queue. So let's say, for example, you've already waited 48 hours or long enough, okay? You still have that we received your information screen. Well, to go ahead and bypass it, you can go ahead and close the application. Go ahead and find it, tap and hold if you're using Android. And then go ahead and tap on the information icon right here, or app info. Now go ahead and scroll down and find storage. Now if you're using Android, tap on clear cache first, followed by clear data. If you're using iOS, go ahead over to settings, storage, or iPhone storage. Then find Facebook, and go ahead and find offload app or offload data. Just tap on it. And once that's done, close it, open up your Play Store or App Store. And then just go ahead and find Facebook. And after that, if there's an update button, go ahead and update the app. And once done, open it up, and you should be fine. That's how simple it is to fix Facebook Received Your Information problem. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.